Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Meyersdal Nature Estate, Alberton, Gauteng, South Africa for R6,450,000. Become part of the elite living in this prestigious nature estate. Upstairs consists of 3 good-sized bedrooms, study and covered patio. Downstairs consists of a welcoming entrance hall, modern gourmet kitchen with separate scullery, dining area, undercover patio. Guest suite with full bathroom and lounge. 3 garages, full security, prepaid electricity and established garden. Separate 1-bedroom granny flat with open-plan lounge, dining room, modern kitchen and nice private garden. Bordering the park-like servitude which can be used at your leisure. Take a walk or mountain bike on the easily accessible nature trails and view the wildlife on your doorstep. For an exclusive view in Gauteng. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.